Hi children, now let us start with our class. Now here once again I will repeat this previous class. Open your mathematics workbook. This is your mathematics workbook. Okay. Next fourth page. Here fourth page practice time is given. Already we solved this yesterday. And here end of this top view, side view and front view. Here dots lines are given, two lines are given. Here you have to write the name of the object which one given in questions. For example here top view. Among these objects here A, B, C, D, E, F. Among these 6 objects, which are the top views and which are the side view, which are the front view. You have to write their names. Top view, pencil. Here, check your textbook, workbook. Here pencil, it is top view. Object name is given, pencil. That you have to write here. Top view, here pencil. And hat. Hat also it is a top view. Now you have to write here hat. Yes children? Yes. So that yesterday what I explained, that same thing I repeated. Now complete these figures, basic shapes. According to this, you know this. Here 2 lines are given. You have to only draw extra line. Here also draw 1 line. It become a square, triangle and rectangle. It is also rectangle, triangle. It become triangle. Or you can draw another one also. No, triangle only it will come. Okay. Now here downside. Question number 3. Observe the following figures and complete the other half. You have to draw other half. This is scissor, butterfly, fish. Complete this object. Draw this. Here you have to draw like this and try to draw the same picture according to this picture. Yes children, will you complete this? Yes. Try to solve this problem. Scissor, butterfly, fish. Yeah, fish, how it is looking. Now see it. You can draw this. And now it become, yes or no children? Complete this. Other parts, half parts you can draw. Butterfly also. Like this. Try to solve this. Complete this. Now we will come to this fourth one. Is the dotted line a line of a symmetry? Write yes for yes or n for no. Symmetry means what? I will explain in some few words in Kannada, because to understand purpose, symmetry. Okay, symmetry means similar. Symmetry means similar. Symmetry means similar. It is same. We feel that it is same. That is we call symmetry. If we divide it into 2 parts, then the 2 parts the same we can find the same parts. Okay, half we can call as a half also. Yes, in Kannada symmetry means ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಭಾಗನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಆ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಎಳೆದಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಹಂಚುವುದು. ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಎರಡು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಎರಡು ಭಾಗಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಭಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 parts we are doing. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೇರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 parts. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಅದ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ 2 parts. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಭಾಗ ಸಮವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮವಾಗಿ. ಸೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವುದು. ಎರಡೂ ಸಮವಾಗಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ symmetry. For example, scissor. Here scissor, we have a same. If you cut or if you divide it 2 parts, then we can you can saw this same, it become looking a same. And fish, butterfly, same parts, no changes. Yes or no, children? Here butterfly, if you see this half parts, this is also same. If it close this half parts, then also it become same. That is we call symmetry, line of symmetry. Line of symmetry ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಸಮಭಾಗ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮವಾಗಿ, ಸಮಭಾಗ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಈ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸಮಭಾಗಗಳಾಗುತ್ತವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಸ್. ವೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಸಮವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ವೈ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ a line of a symmetry, write a y for yes or n for no. Now we will move. Here dotted lines are drawn. It is triangle. Is it symmetric? Yes, children, very good. No, it is not symmetry. So we have to write here no. N. No for n. This plus sign. Yes or no? Very good, children. Yes, because you can see that same parts. If you close these parts, both are same. Yes or no? Both are, we can, this line is symmetry, line of symmetry. We call as a line of symmetry. This is also yes. Very good, children. Write yes. Why? This one D. Yes, very good. No. Why? Because here it is a curved. This side straight line. We cannot divide this through this dotted line. It is not symmetry. This dotted line is not symmetry. Okay, no. This heart shape, very good. Yes, both are same in this symmetry. Line is symmetry. Now here, when this type of any object is given, then you have to count that it is looking like a symmetry only, but we have to confirm that. Whether it is a symmetry or first you have to count these leaves inside that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 is that. Now we will count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both side 5, 5. Then here also we can that this is also half parts and this is a half parts. Both are same. Then it is yes. You have to tell yes. Now once again I will show that. Sorry, just a minute. Now see here, fourth one. First one N, no. Second yes. Third yes. Fourth no. Fifth yes. Sixth yes. Yes means the line of symmetry is same. Now we will solve this in next tomorrow's problem. We will solve this in tomorrow. Okay. Have a nice day, children. Bye.